Sup guys, let's do this. What is up you guys, Claudio back again with another game of Will You Press the Button? This is a game I play once a week and I enjoy it very much. So thank you for watching and let's do this. Alright. You can enter the Academy CD with any expert magic power you want, but you will not live your life correctly. I don't think I get the reference here. Academy CD, is that from like a game or like an anime or what is this? I don't know. I just pressed the button. Let's see what's up. 43% of the people have pressed the button, while 57 did not. Yeah, I don't know. Let's move on. You will become instantly the most attractive person of your gender, but it's only when you put on a pair of Crocs. Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so. No. Wow, 74% pressed the button though. That's, yeah. I mean, Crocs are pretty damn comfortable, but they're so ugly. They are so ugly. It's... no man, no. Alright, you can be a part of Adventure Time. That's the cartoon, right? But you have to listen to Lemon Grab scream every night non-stop and no earplugs or music. Yeah, I don't know. No, I guess. Yeah. Moving on. You've been diagnosed with stage 3 cancer, non-surgical, but you can survive more than a few years with chemotherapy. But you live in America and by the first year of treatment, you're completely broke. You have lost your house, are in immense debt, and while still alive have nothing to earn your name. Oh, is that what happens in the US? That you have to pay for that yourself. In that case, I don't see. This is. It's very easy to press the "I will not" button here, but I'm mostly thinking about. So you have to pay for your treatment yourself. No. Wow. There are like no upsides to this. So yeah. Alright, you acquire any DVDs you have ever wanted even before they come out. DVDs, really? Alright. But they each have one part where they skip as if the DVD had a scratch. Then no. Yeah, no. I wouldn't want that. You can change the color of your hair or the color of your eyes at will, but they both have to be the same constantly. But that's... Yeah, of course. But I mean, okay, so I can change the color of my hair or of my eyes, but they have to be the same constant. Okay. No. You can end animal cruelty everywhere, but you become a fly. I will press the button. Alright. There, good deed for the world. You can understand any language, spoken or written, but you cannot speak or write yourself. That's fucking ridiculous. I will not press the button there. Moving on. You gain the ability to teleport yourself by concentrating on where you want to go. Now that's a cool thing to be able to do. But you need to do complex physical and geometric calculations to end up where you want to. Errors can result in serious injury, loss of limbs, and or a gruesome death. It sounds reasonable, to be honest. No, doesn't it? Because you can end up like in a volcano or something like that. You never know. This was cool. Yes, I will press the button. Moving on. You are now the leader of a prosperous country, the citizens of which revere you. Revere you? But all other countries of the world closes their borders to you and do not interact with you. Huh. No, that'd be boring, I think. That'd be really, really boring. Imagine the internet, but only with people from your country. How boring would that be? The interesting things about the internet, to me, is that you can speak with people from other places and know how they live and how they do stuff. You know, that's interesting to me. But yeah, moving on. Alright, you get as much free KFC as you want for life. Is that a bucket of chicken, I think? But you have incurable acne on your back. No, I think I will not. I don't eat chicken anyway, so I'm not missing out. Plus, I don't want the acne. No, I'm good. Yeah. The internet is wiped of trolls, but your internet connection starts to suck. You know what? No. I don't mind the trolls. This would be my question to you. Would you choose a slow internet connection in favor of there not being trolls on the internet? On the internet. I wouldn't. I mean, I think the trolls are people that just seek attention, and well, that's it, I guess. It's nothing more, nothing less. There's nothing to it, really, to be a troll on the internet. Rarely those people are trolled in real life, and if you let it bother you, then I guess it's more on you than it's on them. I wouldn't. I don't mind trolls. I don't care about them. I don't give them attention enough.
Thoughts?
Anyway, guys, this has been fun. So remember my question to you: would you have a slower internet connection in favor of not having trolls on the internet? It's a fair question. Guys, thank you for watching, sticking around. Thank you for liking, commenting, and all that cool stuff that you do. And man, thank you very much. I see you in the next one.